Hi guys. A couple of weeks ago, I did an unboxing of a new clothing subscription box called FASHOM, F-A-S-H-O-M, and I will link to my unboxing below. A number of us YouTubers were contacted by FASHOM, and they asked us if they sent us a box, would we review it, which is what I did, and you can get all the details. I'll print some below, and I will link to that other video. When I did that video, I said I was going to do a follow-up and describe how the checkout was, whether or not I was able to get some size exchanges, and sort of update you on my overall view of FASHOM. I will say right now my overall view of them is still very positive, as it was during that unboxing. If you watched that unboxing, you will recall my main issue with the items was size. It depends on the company whether I'm a large petite or a medium in tops, and in trousers, whether I'm a 12, which is usual, or a 10, which I am in some cases. So the items I received skewed to being, happily for me, a little bit too large. I love the items though. I absolutely love the items the stylist picked for me. They were like so mean. They were perfect for work. They were exactly what I needed. So I asked if I could get some size exchanges. And the customer service area put me in direct connection with my stylist. And I think with FASHOM, it's a little bit different. They don't have a warehouse full of these items that they're sending to you. They actually order them for you and have them sent to you. So my stylist had to go back in and try to find the same items in a size down. She was having a little trouble finding the correct sizes. So she emailed me and said, you know, if you want to just return everything that doesn't fit, that's fine, and I'll just try to do better in my next box. And I'm like, I love these items. I don't mind waiting. If you think you can find them, I don't mind waiting. And they said to me, that's fine. You don't have to return the items yet. You can just hang on to the box, put it to the side until we get this sorted out. And I made it very clear to them I didn't mind waiting. They were very... They definitely wanted to make me happy, whatever I wanted to do. So, out of those items, what did I end up keeping? Well, first, what I didn't keep. There was a denim jacket in the box that I liked quite a lot. It ran a little bit large. The price was great on it. It had pockets, which I love. It was just a little bit big on me. I like a slightly more tailored fit. She was unable to get the same jacket in that size. I returned the FASHOM denim jacket. I returned a pair of trousers that was too large. She was unable to get a size exchange for that. And there was a blazer that was too big that I returned. I kept... Sorry about that. The dog just started to bark because somebody's setting off fireworks outside. So we may get some more barking. Anyway, the items I kept. She was able to get me a size exchange on this top, which I received today. The one I got in the box was too large. I love this top. It's like a t-shirt, but slightly dressier. I can wear it for work. It's just perfect, and it's really comfortable in this heat. So I kept this one. She was unable to get me a size exchange on this green top, which I really liked. Again, you can see it in more detail in the try-on video. This flows and falls so nicely. It is too big on me, but not a whole lot too big. And because of the way the material is, if you put it on, it doesn't really look that big. It still looks gorgeous. And I said, you know what? Even if I would have preferred this in a size down, but I like it so much and the price was good, I said I'm keeping it anyway, even if it's a little big. I kept a blue and white top, which I can't show you because that was in the correct size when it came in the box. It fit me perfectly, and I have worn it and washed it a number of times. It's held up beautifully. I have no problem with it at all. I love it, and it's in the hamper right now, so I'm not going to show it to you. And I kept one pair of trousers for work. I guess these might look like twill on, they're not. They're, I guess, business casual trousers. And these fit me pretty well, too. All the items go together really nicely. They work with a lot of, I could wear this with a lot of different trousers. I can wear this with a lot of different tops. So, as you can probably tell, I'm really happy with FASHOM. I'm really happy with the amount of attention they gave me as far as trying to make sure this order was right. I did the checkout on the app, and it was very easy to do. So that was no problem. And I received, with FASHOM, if you keep 3 items, you get a 25% discount, any 3 items out of your order. So I got that discount. And there's a promo code. Most of us YouTubers were given a promo code in return for doing the video. So mine was Cranky Grandma. And anyone that uses any of our promo codes to order their first box will also get the same 20% off. So I got 25% off for keeping over 3 items, 3 or more. And I got an additional 20% off with the promo code for my first box. So that alone makes me happy. And the items themselves made me very happy. I like the quality, I like the styling, and I'm just really delighted. So that is my follow-up review of FASHOM. I am not ordering another box immediately, but I'll probably in about a month order another one, and we'll see how that one goes. But thumbs up on this new service so far. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.